We are back with our eye on the economy, talking about one of the biggest stories across the country this week. Raleigh-based First Citizens Bank acquiring Silicon Valley Bank, the failed bank in California. And Eugene Flood, the Chapel Hill economist who is our resident expert, has a unique perspective on this. Gene, you are a director. You're on the board of directors at First Citizens Bank. You literally had a seat at the table for these negotiations. I know you can't talk much about that, but what does this acquisition by our Raleigh-based bank here in the capital city, what does that say about the state of the banking industry in this country?
Well, the banking industry, Steve, has been hard hit over the last several weeks. So we've seen these two large, high-profile bank failures. Now, the private sector response to that is consolidation, that the stronger banks will take over the weaker banks. And we've seen that right here in our own backyard. The public sector response, I believe, will be more regulation and tighter supervision of the banking sector. And I expect that what we will see is an even stronger and safer banking sector in the U.S. as we come out of this.
A lot about the strength of First Citizens Bank. Started 125 years ago in Smithfield in Johnston County, and now it's rescuing yet another American bank. Let's talk about consumer confidence numbers. They are out this week, fresh numbers. I was a little surprised to see consumer confidence is up right now. People feeling pretty good about the economy, despite the fact that we're paying more for everything every day when we're at the store. What do you make of these new numbers?
Well, I think, Steve, that the economy is in a delicate balancing act right now. So consumers are on the positive side of the scale. Unemployment is still low by historical standards, and that's keeping confidence and spending in gear. But as consumers look out to the future, say in the next 12 months, there's some dark clouds on the horizon. Now, businesses are on the negative side of the scale. So CEOs are actually quite pessimistic right now. They're concerned about costs and they're concerned about the slowing economy. So we've got a balance right now, and we're starting to tilt more towards the negative side, in my view.
You see some dark clouds, and we're always glad that you're able to navigate these choppy waters in the American economy. We'll see you again next week. Eugene Flood, a Chapel Hill-based economist. Thanks for your time.